The next question is from Sister Nadia. Do I want to start a baking business soon? If I sell cakes or cookies that are for Mother's Day or birthday or Ramadan, is it permissible for me?
There is a difference between Mother's Day, birthdays, and Ramadan. There's no problem in baking cookies for Ramadan or for Eid. This is not something prohibited. Baking it specifically when you're knowing that it is going to be used for birthdays or anniversaries or haram celebrations, this is not permissible. Therefore, when someone comes and says, bake me a cake, it's none of your business to say, what for? Is it for a birthday? Is it for an anniversary? Is it for this or that? No, this is not it's not of your business. But if they come and say to you, please bake us a cake and put happy birthday so and so, or forever lasting anniversary or whatever, no, this is not permissible. You can simply decline and say, I apologize, but I cannot participate in this. But if someone says to you, just bake me a cake, no problem in doing that at all.